Hey, what's up? The smartwatch in my hands is called Kingwear KW06. This is one of the cheapest Android smartwatches on the market, because it was released almost 1 year ago in 2018. Yeah, it has outdated and bulky design. The specifications are not the best for 2019, but this is a real smartwatch on Android operating system. It has many features such as IP68 water resistance, Wi-Fi, GPS and SIM support, built-in camera and speaker, and even Bluetooth calls. The price of Kingwear KW06 is only $70. So, let's make unboxing and full review of this smartwatch. Should you buy it in 2019? Let's find out. The box of Kingwear KW06 looks like this. There is the image of smartwatch on the front panel. Opening the box, you will find a watch itself, charging cable, screwdriver, user manual, and screen protector. That's all. You know, the screwdriver is needed to open SIM tray. As I already said, Kingwear KW06 is quite bulky smartwatch. The dimensions are 47 by 40 by 14 mm. Yes, the thickness is 14 mm. My phone is only 7 mm, but this smartwatch is 14. The weight is about 66 grams. The strap length is 295 mm. By the way, the strap is not removable. In my opinion, Kingwear KW06 looks very cheap. The watch is made of plastic, while the strap is silicone. On the other hand, the smartwatch looks reliable. The build quality is good. This is important because the watch is waterproof by IP68 standard. It means that you can wash hands or even take a shower with smartwatch on your wrist. Kingwear KW06 has two physical buttons on the right side, power and back. The camera is located between the buttons. On the left side is only SIM tray. As I already said, you have to use a screwdriver from the package to open tray and insert SIM card. On the back of the watch is heart rate sensor and charging connector. On the front, there is square 1.48-inch TFT screen with 320 by 320 pixels resolution. Also, you can see a speaker above the display. In my opinion, Kingwear KW06 looks outdated in 2019. This is understandable because the watch was released in early 2018, almost 2 years ago. Just look at this thick body and a big square dial. Personally, I don't like the design of this watch. However, I have to give credit. The smartwatch has a good build quality, even protection against water. That's very good. Okay, now let's talk about main functions of Kingwear KW06. This is the main watch face. If you don't like it, you can press and hold on the screen for about 1 second and choose another watch face. There are 11 watch faces, but you can download even more. Swipe down from the top to open quick settings menu. Here you can see date, day of the week, digital time, SIM and phone connection, as well as battery level. Swipe to the left and you will get other functions, such as brightness, airplane mode, GPS, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, etc. The next, swipe to the left and there will be steps count. You can swipe to the right from the main screen to see new notifications. As you can see, I don't have notifications yet. At the bottom, we have weather. Also, you can see weather forecast for the coming days. Finally, the main menu with all functions and apps is here. As you can see, this menu has tiles, just like the old Windows Phone. If you don't like it, you can change the app list tile. In general, there are two styles, tiles and list. There are many functions in app menu. I want to show you the most interesting ones. As you understand, Kingwear KW06 supports SIM card. After you insert SIM card, you can see the contacts, dial the contact, send messages, etc. However, I should say that the keyboard is very small and it is not very convenient to type the text. From other side, you can install the messenger, for example, Telegram, and send voice messages. Now I want to show you the screen when you call somebody. There is phone number, reject the call, and volume. When someone calls you, you will see the next screen on the watch. Another interesting function of Kingwear KW06 is Bluetooth calls. You can connect the smartwatch to your phone via Bluetooth and call the contacts. It means that you don't need SIM card in the watch. The settings menu has following options: sound, display, uplist style, connect, gesture, language and input, date and time, reset, uninstall application, and about watch. By the way, Kingware KW06 supports different languages, including English, Spanish, Russian, etc. There are about 22 languages supported. The camera app looks like this. You can take photo and video. The camera resolution is only 0.3 megapixels, so don't expect high-quality images. Kingware KW06 has music and music control. What's the difference between these functions? The first one allows to listen to music from internal memory of the watch. Download the music on the watch and listen to it. The music control is a function to control the music on your mobile device. However, the main feature of Kingware KW06 is Google Play Store. The smartwatch runs on Android 5.1, so you can download Android apps. I have downloaded some apps and even Antutu. If you are interested, the watch has 11,363 points in Antutu. By the way, I forgot to say about hardware. Kingware KW06 is powered by MediaTek MT6580 chipset, 512 MB of RAM and 8 GB of internal memory. You can also play some games on Kingware KW06. YouTube is also available on this watch. You can connect the wireless Bluetooth earbuds or use built-in speaker. The sound from built-in speaker is quite good. Now let's talk about battery. Kingware KW06 is Android smartwatch, and the battery life is similar to most Android smartphones, about 1 day. The battery capacity is 460 mAh. Full battery charge takes about 2 hours. Okay, now it's time to make a conclusion. I will be honest with you, I don't like the design of this watch. It is bulky and looks like a kid's watch. In my opinion, this design is outdated for 2019. But if you like the design, then Kingware KW06 is a good smartwatch for you. First, it is cheap and it has many useful functions. The watch supports SIM, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and GPS. There is even Bluetooth call function. Also, you can take photos and video using built-in camera, play games, watch videos on YouTube and other apps. Google Play Store allows to install any Android apps. I like Android smartwatches because they have built-in memory. You can download music on the watch, connect Bluetooth earphones and listen to music without smartphone. It is very convenient for running or when you are doing sports in the gym. So if you are okay with design of Kingware KW06, then this smartwatch is for you. The price is affordable, only $70. I will leave the link in description. Thanks for watching this video. Hit the like button and subscribe to our channel Tech Brothers.